Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ranjit Kumar. Today we are going to talk about entrepreneurship launchpad event. Now, wow, what it is and why we are gonna talk about this, and why should we talk about this, and why should we not talk about this. All of these questions maybe comes in your mind, so I'm gonna answer this all. So in my earlier videos, I have already told you guys I am connected to Dr. Vivek Bindra as an IDC. As you all know, so entrepreneurship launchpad event is a event organized by Dr. Vivek Bindra and his company Bada Business. So what it is, why should you join it, why should you not join it, what are details of it, if you are interested in knowing about it, so I'm gonna provide you all the details. So if you wanna know about this, so stick with me till the last. So let's start. Let's go to our computer screen. So hi guys, we are on our computer screen. So let's get the details of entrepreneurship launchpad. So as we all know, it is organized by Dr. Vivek Bindra and its company Bada Business. So the name of the event is Entrepreneurship Launchpad. It is so Dr. Vivek Bindra is going to attempt 12th world record. He already made 11 world records. We all know that. So as you follow, maybe you know, and if somebody is new, so I am telling you, he already made 11 world records. So this is gonna be a 12th one. It is expected. Most likely he will made it because the number of times he attempted, he already made it. So it's gonna be a world record. So it is gonna be on Indira Gandhi Stadium, and the date of the entrepreneurship event is 23 and 24 September 2023. So this is gonna be a 2-day event, ladies and gentlemen. So big 2-day big event. So who are the speakers in this event is, first of all, Dr. Vivek Bindra, founder and CEO of Bada Business and India's largest, most successful entrepreneurial coach. And second speaker is our Narayan Rane, Cabinet Minister, MSME. Third is Mr. Vivek Oberoi. We all know he's an actor, businessman and investor. Third one is Sunil Shetty. He is also a actor. And fourth, like how many we covered? Four. Like the fifth one is Sri Gauranga Das. He is a spiritual guru. And we all know the one of the main important is Ritesh Agarwal, the youngest entrepreneur in our country. His company Oyo is really like making buzz around the internet. So founder and CEO of Oyo Rooms, Mr. Ritesh Agarwal. And the now next speaker is Mr. Manu Jain, managing director of Xiaomi India, former managing director of Xiaomi India, and the world's #1 educational YouTube channel owner, Mr. Khan sir. He is also invited in this event, and the Ranveer Badya, he is also invited in this event. So these are speakers, ladies and gentlemen. They come and speak, and our Dahoja sir, very those who prepare for IAS, they already know him. He's a big name, our Dahoja. So event, let me give you events overview. What are going to be the events overview? So first day, registration, and the sessions will be customers problem, then Ranveer Alavadia special session, then there will be lunch, and then prospect in business, then tea, then learn how to find the product market fit, all. Then 8 p.m. session ends. So this is gonna be a first day. Second day is like people, how to manage people, manpower of your business, and then special session by Mr. Khan sir, then Manu Jain ji, special session, then lunch, learn the way to increase the process and performance in your business. So next one is tea, and then a special session by Vivek Oberoi, and then learn how to earn profit. So this is gonna be last session, 8 p.m. session. And there is also gonna be a musical event in this evening. So whoever will come, they really enjoy it, whoever will interested in knowing. So this is gonna be a big learning for entrepreneurs. So how many 15 plus billionaire speakers are invited. Those are celebrity speakers, ladies and gentlemen. Billionaire speakers are also invited. Some of other speakers whose net worth is like I mean whose company net worth is like $1 billion plus, like most of you know Ashwini Grover, founder of BharatPay. He is also invited in this session, and Vinita Singh, founder of Sugar Cosmetics, he is also invited in this session. These are two additional speakers who I know. It is not mentioned in like this landing page, but I know that, so I'm telling you. Approx like 30,000 attendees. It's written 25,000, but approx there will be 30,000 people who will attend this like seminar, and 50 plus media coverage gonna be. So why should you join? Like if you are in entrepreneur, if you want to be an entrepreneur, so you will get like guidance from the successful entrepreneur. You will learn a critical business aspects. You will get the chance of networking. Those who want to be an entrepreneur, you may know the value of networking. It is a lot. It is also better for existing entrepreneurs. They will get growth strategies, learn tactics to scale their business. They they will know how to drive innovations and business growth. They will get the chance to collaboration, because 30,000 like-minded people and like entrepreneurs will be there, so you can collaborate also. There's huge chance of networking. And students uh, who are like business students, future business entrepreneurs, they can also join this seminar. And the working professional, though, those who want to excel in their career, so they are also mostly invited in this seminar. So why should you join? Why should you attend? Accelerated learning, like a lot of learning, real success stories, like really Ritesh Agarwal, really successful. Like he went to America and he met founder like PayPal founder Peter Thiel, very known name. So he met. So learning from those guys will be really impressive, like real success story, impressive speaker lineup, networking opportunity, personal development. Definitely, if you are gonna attend this, you are get your personal development, transformative experience. You will experience best thing. So now we talk about what are the prices. So there are silver category, which is like of 6,000, 2 days 6,000 plus GST. It's like base price. Additional you have to pay GST on it. So full access to the today event and all that. You will get manual guide, access to you will get a business ka mass free course of on Bada Business app. This is course of Dr. Vivek. It is like mini MBA course. There is a gold in whose price is approx 10,000 rupees, like 9,999 plus GST. Includes what you will get in this price, like all silver ticket benefits and greater immersion into entrepreneurship. Like you will get like front seats, like those who will buy for 6,000, they will get back seats, and those who will buy gold, who they will get most probably front seats. And diamond seat there is all gold ticket benefits and premium sitting, more further, because 30,000, so a lot of gonna be entrepreneurs. So at the more you will expensive premium ticket you will buy, the more closer you will get into the event. So so what is this scholarship, ladies and gentlemen? So this is a program called Billionaire Blueprint. For that you will get 10,000 of scholarship. Okay, now what is it? Platinum, it's for really premium members. It's approx is 9,999 plus GST. So all the benefits you will get: lifetime membership of what does it mean by lifetime membership? Like all courses of Dr. Vivek, you will get in this course. Sofa sitting, you will get access to exclusive launch Q&A opportunity with speakers. You will get valet parking, means you will get a special parking for parking your cars opportunity. and invitation to be a part of this historic event. So the next is elite ticket, which is gonna be of 2,99,900. This is like for most premium customer plus GST. Like all benefits of platinum tickets, first row sitting, but like really with billionaire professors you will sit, personalized butler service, like whatever you wanna eat, you can call the butler and you can eat. You will get the opportunity to selfie with Dr. Vivek Bindra and a celebrity speaker. You can get selfie with the speaker. First, right to event sponsorship. What does it mean by event sponsorship? Is it mean there are a lot of space available on the event. So if you want to sponsor, and then they will ask from. If you deny, they will ask from others. But if you want, you can do that. So, but their prices will be different. This is for just for event, ladies and gentlemen. You will get exclusive dining area and experience the event in VIP style. This is for really for VIP people. uh, so yeah, this is limited seats. Most of the seats are filled. uh, you know most of the seats are filled. It is filling very fast, to be very honest with you. Launch your success and all that. So if you anyone of you are interested, then you can WhatsApp me on this number. I will guide you related to this, and if any additional discount that is in the offer, I will tell you from my side. Okay, so WhatsApp me if you are interested. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much.